Juliet will continue on to Juliet and Kilo. Kilo and Juliet. Qatari 07 Hotel.
Not above 2,000 feet VFR, QNH1019.
This is transit, direct track, not above 2,000 feet VFR 1019, anywhere 72 Alpha. Manchester, apologies, we've just been diverted up to Lytham now, turning to the north.
7 to Alpha, Roger, first up.
Jetman 512 Foxtrot, you able hotel?
Stand by, just 112 Foxtrot. Jetman 512 Foxtrot.
Jetman 512 Foxtrot via Hotel 1, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff, surface wind 0104 knots.
Yeah, Hotel clear takeoff, Hotel 1 clear takeoff, surface 3 right, Jetman 512 Foxtrot. To ground Galaxy 1, just let you know we've got the guys out again on foot and I can soon move them within a minute's notice.
Galaxy 1, Roger, thank you.
Element 712, there is traffic currently west of you by about 6 miles tracking northbound in the low level route at 1,000 feet unverified. Present tracks look you'll probably get pretty close in about 5 miles.
How did you go? Did you go see our Laura yesterday? Did you? Oh. Didn't I?
I could see my airplane from here. Daddy, I'm going to have an
Yeah. How's that?
07 Hotel, approaching Mike 1, we are ready.
Qatari 07 Hotel, Roger, at runway 23 right, clear to take off. The surface wind is 352 degrees, 6 knots.
Good takeoff, runway 23 right from Mike. Qatari 07 Hotel.
You know, I said, but, you know, anybody else would fall at me and that's it, was in life with you. And then I come on Monday, he said, oh, Max is soon. No, he didn't say Max at well, he just said, oh, Max is going today. I said, oh, what's wrong? And it's just such a review, wasn't it?
Okay, I'm going to take a picture of whichever airplane comes.
Qatari 07 Hotel, contact Scottish Control 133 destination. Yep.
Scottish 133 decimal 8, good day, Qatari 07 Hotel.
He was like, yeah, but if it's for you, you'll be all over it like